All right, guys, welcome back to another video. You got two phones laid out here. This is the Z Flip 7 and the Z Fold 7. And the folks over at Thinborne has blessed us with some cases to try on. These are their new colors. I'm going to be showing them to you both in this video. I appreciate them sending these over. So we're going to get these boxes open and we're going to get these cases put on and try them on. I'm going to use them. I'm going to use them because I like these colors right here. These colors are very special to me. Oh, yes. As you can see there, here are the new colors. Oh, that, folks, is a beautiful thing. That is this is beautiful. I cannot wait to put this on the phone. And of course, with them, you get the front piece here. And then you also get, which I love that they put in the front piece. I just think that's something special that they do. And other companies that are asking for a premium price don't do it most times. And another thing is you get a tempered glass. Sometimes they put two in here. I think I've seen two in here before. Is this one? Oh, it's just one now. Okay, yeah, I've seen. This is a beautiful thing. I already have a tempered glass on there. So I'm going to put this aside real briefly. And we're going to go ahead and go around. Here we're going to go ahead and put on the back piece and front piece, and we're just going to get this thing looking beautiful. So first things first, we're going to peel off these very thin. This is a very thin piece, folks, but you guys wanted, a lot of people want this front piece because of the price of the product. And, you know, is it beneficial? Hey, to some people it is because they want to cover up their entire phone, and I get it. So sometimes with these little pieces, I found that they're very difficult to get off, especially if they're heated up for a while. But this one seems to be flowing right along. Boom. Yeah, looks like we're in good here. Okay, boom. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on here. Now it's gonna go on like this. You've got just enough here to get it around the product. Oh, that's just already just having the front piece on. It's very nice. Maybe I'll change the wallpaper to something else. Maybe I'll do that to get like a deep red wallpaper or something on there. And so now we have to put on this rear piece, which is the star of the show. This is what everybody else will see. And everybody else will see your phone and say, whoa, what is that? All right. Oh, there's a little piece kind of in here. Oh, it went on the reverse. Come on, buddy. Don't troll me on camera here. All right, hold on. All right, got that little piece off. You get this big piece off here. And then there's also a piece covering this portion here. You'd miss it if you didn't pay attention because it's clear. And now, gosh, Thinborne. Okay, I got to give you guys props. This is, and I'm pushing in like this and pushing and putting it on, making sure all the, oh boy, this just took it to another level. Wow. Yeah. These are those times where I probably would want a black phone or like a white phone with this red color. But even so, this deep red color, ooh wee, look at it, how it looks. Look how it looks like this. It's nice with the blue. I'm not saying it's not nice with the blue. But woo-wee. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful case. Tell me that's not beautiful. Let's try on the Z Flip 7. Oh, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous setup. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is just so beautiful. Oh, man, this is crazy nice. This back piece. And you get a tempered glass. And it looks like you get some camera mount. Look at them coming up. The come up. Metal rings for the Z Flip 7. Get out. Hey, look here, Thinborne. New level of respect. New level of respect. And then again, once again, You get that tempered glass. Now, this is a different tempered glass that they had before. The other one had it all the way around. For some reason, they switched like to the one I have on there right now. This is definitely a different cutout for some reason. I guess they went to there for, I don't know, whatever reason, but this is their tempered glass from their previous case. It goes all the way around here, and I definitely like this better. But wow, let's pop this on. And again, you get everything. So let's go ahead and put on these rings too. Might as well. That's something new from Thinborne. I could appreciate that. They are doing the most. You're getting your value here for sure, folks. I mean, you're getting your money's worth when companies add as many things as they can inside the box. Because the pricing on these things, folks, they are expensive. Let's just keep it a buck here. They're expensive. And you're spending a bit of money and you're wanting in excess. You feel like you should have, people feel like they should have everything free most times. But, hey, you gotta, the companies have to remain profitable, folks. This is no denying this. So we're going to just pop this little piece off here. And it looks like that's all those little blue things be sticking to you, boy. And look at this piece on here. I've learned that with the Z Flip 7, sometimes with these, it just doesn't want to stay, like when I start to open it a lot. But it looks like this one is set. This is good. It's a little, I need to add some adhesive on that side over there, but I think on this corner over here, I'll add a piece of adhesive because I think the other one came off. And they have it right here. Let me see if I can just add this one. Yeah, it's on the other side here. Pause. Hold on. Let me get this. Okay, got a little bit more adhesive in there. All right, let's pop it on here. I put some on these corners right here, up here. That's where I used to have the issues at, on these corners. Like, because when you're opening and closing it, it just wouldn't stay, man. It would just pop off. So, all right, let's get this on. Let's put these on first. What else? Do I have some on there already? Do I have lens protectors on here? Yeah, I already have some on there. I'm glad I checked. So I think those are these are my Rinky ones probably. So, well, Thinborne, I'll give you a run next time, but I do have these already on here. So respect. Let's put this case on here. These adhesive things, man, they sometimes don't want to come off, and then they stick to your hands too. And like when they stick to your hands when you're trying to get this stuff off, man. So I have to use a razor blade or something like that to get it. Let me pause it. You guys want to see this. All right, let's see here. Sorry if I bored you with all that sticker conversation and adhesive conversation, but look at this top portion. I'm gonna have to work with this. Again, that adhesive area right there for some reason doesn't want to lay down, but I'll put some more adhesive on there. But here it is. You open this up. If I can do it gracefully, make the case look real good. Get it on there. Boom. Here we are. You've got one of the most beautiful colors ever. This color is just good. The deep red is just where it's at. Oh man, they went to town with these colors. I've got some more videos coming out. I got some colors coming for the Apple products that I own here, and stay on the lookout for that video. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Link to purchase is obviously down below. Take care.